to be my girl? Let's build a real future. Sana all. Tot no. Drop me ayate. If you want a future. A future. Kanya a future. Kain say. Kain. Taba ko na soy. I don't play short-term games. I want you official. Sana all official. Give me a Yati official also. Tama ba yung sinasabi ko? I don't let's take this of this public layout and open a direct pipeline. Ano pipeline? Drop bubble dragon for dance challenge. O talaga say. Laysay! You look too beautiful to stay trapped on this screen. Tara din yan. Parang inaano lang. Ay, ang bot na lagad. I hate nationwide. Long stick. But you are my priority. Priority yan, Sarah. Oh. Mamatay ka man. Ay. So, imagine your life when a powerhouse executive has your back. So, I have a power in my back. Isa pa. I mean, absolute. Pati absolute na lang. Tapos, transparency with reality. Let's lock down our coordinates. Ay? Hindi ko naintindihan. Minimal. Tahimik na ako, Zay. Ay, okay. Good night. Zay. Ay, matutulog pala si Zay. Yes, Pat. Ere. Pat, maawa ka naman sa akin, Pat. Ano naman to? The Scream persona is out of power. Look at me. Ako po, George. Okay. What happened? Dudong-guro? I don't invest in standard digital text back reality. Ano daw? Ay, baka mautot ka yan. Hindi pa nga eh. Naantay ko mautot pilat ko eh. Drop the dashboard. Defensive. Give me your digit. This what? Digit lang na naintindihan, you know? This one, my dream. That's my digit. Tama ba yun? No. Yun lang naintindihan ko, yung digit eh. Bubo ka ba, pero sa pera hindi. Nice and easy. Baby, oh how. Hindi ako how. You have a love that's really real. You're sweet and spicy. Sweet and spicy. Agay! Sweet and spicy pa naman. Come on. Entice me, baby. Entice me. You know the way that I look to feel. I like to feel. What do you mean? Yeah, na. Wala ko niya. Sir, wala ko niya siya. Liya ka pa. Otot ni say-say. Yung nga ako na nahiya. Ikaw mahiya ka? Marami kang pera? Ako sa hindi ako mahiya pag marami akong pera, say. Bakit ako mahiya? Ano kayo, bro? Uy! I'm not assaulting. I'm a sweet and spicy. Sweet and sour na lang. I still want to see angles. Ori, drop more, drop. Angle ko sa'yo. Oh, drop more. I see, you see the good angle. Damay na naman ako dyan. Malabangan dyan ka. Dami na ito. Jawaan mo nga ako, Say. Say. Patap 1. Gusto ko ito top 1 ko eh. Mahirap pag English. Ano na naman to? Come on, let's do it. Do it, baby. Do it. Do it, baby. Agatay. Turn me up whenever you come around. Ayan po, wala akong naintindihan. Wala akong pera, sabi. Meron na. Say, meron na, Say. Nakita ka wallet mo, wag ka. Your stage image is flawlessly polished. But you a stricted mistake and what truly captivate me. Ano daw? Hindi talaga naintindihan. You put on a colorful mask to be seen, but it completely lies with their speaker. Wala akong naintindihan. Wala ako ganun. Meron! Wala kang wallet pero may cellphone. Ang put mo sa'yo. The more you try to perform like a star, but more ordinary you look.